Have a clear outline. Know what your main message is, its supporting point or points, how you want to begin and how you want to finish, so that it's clear in your mind and it's clear to the audience. Secondly, refine that speech over and over again. Keep saying it out loud, practicing it, taking away the parts you don't like, that you don't need, that are extraneous. Get it down to its core. And thirdly, practice it over and over again so that it is just second nature to you. I worked with somebody who did a TED Talk, and they said for their 10-minute presentation, every 1 minute of their speech, they practiced for 2 hours. Perhaps you won't practice that much for each minute of your speech, but that ideal of really knowing what it is you're saying is going to make you a much more effective, dynamic, and confident speaker.